everybody. Haven't done one of these in a while, so I thought I'd do a meme review. Got a good one in my email today. So I thought I'd give it to you because it's really worth looking at for a couple reasons. And I really think it should speak to you. I know it spoke to me. So let's take a look. Alright. So, let me get myself up here. Crying student. And then we have the two cops from SpongeBob. And then Patrick jumping back in fear. That is my reaction to when you cry. I am very uncomfortable. Ready? Let's try this. There you go. That's me. I love this meme. This is a good one. I don't like it when you cry. Because if you're crying because of the test, there is a sense of satisfaction that it's difficult enough. But at the same time, I don't want to hear you cry. I don't want to deal with that. It depends on why you're crying. If you have a real reason to cry, that's completely different. But if it's over my test, I don't want to see it. So I made quickly a way of grading this one. So let's take a look at it. So here you go. You have, over here is our rating scale. So you have funny, how dank it is, and how relevant it is to our lives. And over here, your key is Calvin Coolidge is the highest. Then you have Grover Cleveland. Right in the middle, you have Chester Arthur, Gerald Ford, and Woodrow Wilson. So let's see. On the funniness scale, went the wrong way. This is a Calvin Coolidge. It's a Calvin Coolidge, definitely. So all the way funny. It's hilarious. It speaks to me. How dank is it? Well, it uses SpongeBob and me. So I love me some me. So maybe this is a little low. I gave it a Grover Cleveland. But Cleveland was a great president, only president elected to non-consecutive terms. So it's pretty darn dank. And then relevant, it's very relevant. So I gave it right in the middle of a Cleveland and a Coolidge. So I guess that's more like I would say that's more like a Reagan. So I should have put something in there. So I love this meme. Thank you, Jason, for sending it over. This is a good one. I'm keeping this one long term. Have a good one.